Of Shoppingtown Mall still has not paid its tax bill, but apparently they have bought themselves more time to do it. News Channel 9's Jeff Kulikowski back on the story, continuing to follow this ever-developing story. Jeff, explain this to us. What happened? Did they get an extension?
Yeah, that's exactly what did happen, Christy. They did get an extension. Sometime yesterday, the attorneys for the mall got an appellate justice to extend the payment deadline now to June 24th. Now, these court documents don't typically get published online right away. We had been checking all day, and despite reaching out to plaintiffs' lawyers and Moonbeam officials, it was only at 6:39 this morning that I got word from the mall's lead attorney informing me of this extension. So the 14-day deadline set by State Supreme Court Judge Anthony Paris earlier this month, which was yesterday at 4 p.m., has actually been extended, giving the owners of Shoppingtown Mall, Moonbeam Capital, another month to pay nearly $10 million in taxes to Onondaga County. On May 9th, Judge Paris ruled against Moonbeam and its CEO, Steve Maxson, who took the stand in State Supreme Court in Syracuse in a lawsuit brought by Erie LLC, the owners of the former Macy's property at Shoppingtown. Now, Erie LLC is a subsidiary of Benderson Development. They sued Moonbeam to force Moonbeam to pay their taxes to the county. They claim the mall's failure to pay taxes is not only making it difficult to redevelop the Macy's part of the mall, but also putting it in imminent jeopardy of being lost to the county. In another legal move, lawyers for the mall late Monday filed what's called a notice of appeal of Judge Paris's ruling with the State Supreme Court Appellate Division in Rochester. It now gives the mall owners 6 months to perfect the appeal and file it with the Rochester court. Now, a spokesperson for Onondaga County Executive Ryan McMahon issued this statement saying not only does Moonbeam owe nearly $10 million to the taxpayers of Onondaga County, but, quote, due to Moonbeam's being an irresponsible corporate citizen, the property continues to be a public safety concern. Goes on to say unless they have a massive bottle and can drive plan, they should pay up or move along so we can turn this neglected property into a productive one. The appeal does not save them from paying those taxes, but again, Christy, that extension does grant them one more month to pay those taxes.
Jeff, we appreciate your continued coverage on this story. Thank you.